moms want their babies to be healthy, and even little babies can get big colds. Hyland's baby cold medicines are uniquely safe for babies 6 months and up. Hyland's baby cough syrup helps relieve coughs due to colds. Hyland's baby tiny cold tablets relieves runny nose, congestion, and sneezing. They're all natural, safe, effective, and gentle for babies. So next time your baby has sniffles and coughs, reach for Hyland's baby cold medicines. Available at Walgreens.
Smile, baby.